Hi, Steve Clifford, and today I'm going to do a walkthrough on how to set up the digital key in a new Toyota. Now, what digital key does is it allows you to use your phone as if it were a key fob. So if you have this, you don't need the key fob in the car at all. First thing that you need to do is to download digital key. Now, not all Toyotas have this option, but this one does. This is a Land Cruiser. So hit download and it will download the digital key. And what you may find, by the way, is I had to do this several times. I had to uninstall the app and reinstall it because apparently the older version of the app, it just wasn't working. So I had to do that. So now that it's downloading the digital key, this will take just a little bit for it to happen. And while I'm doing that, let me also point out, I've got several videos that I've done on digital key that shows it's a little quirky and it doesn't work quite as well as I would like. I probably would never take a trip. I'd never go too terribly far away from home using just digital key. All right, now it's downloaded. Now it says connect. So I'm going to go ahead and start the car. And I'm going to hit connect. It's going to walk you through this on how to do it. I'm going to hit connect to vehicle. Connecting to your vehicle. Pairing request. Yep, let's pair. All right. Digital key setup is now complete. Wow, that's new. So confirm the mobile device has an internet or cellular connection. The app must be open or running in the background, so don't completely close out your app. Don't log out of it. Keep Bluetooth enabled on your device, so make sure Bluetooth is always on your phone. And your key fob is available as backup. All right, so it looks like my digital key is all set up. That's a new process. It used to require holding up your key fob to the little power button ring. You apparently don't need to do that anymore. So we're all set. That's new. Maybe I'll get to do a new video showing that it's working better. So hopefully they improved the software on it and it's now going to work a lot more smoothly. So I got a new phone. That's why I ended up getting a new digital key installed. Hopefully that'll work better. I'm Steve Clifford. Thanks for watching.